Hey guys, welcome back with another study video. Guys, in this video, we will discuss when you try to update your iPhone or iPad to the latest iOS 26.4 beta 2 version, you may face a problem that your update stuck on verifying update. So how can you fix it? So guys, we can fix it very easily. So simply guys, you may just go back, and first of all guys, you may just make sure that you have an active internet connection. If you're connected Wi-Fi, you may just click here on settings, and now you may click here on your Wi-Fi. So you may check, click here and click here on your Wi-Fi name, and here the option of forget this network. So you may click here and connect it again, and then you may make sure that your internet is working properly. Then if you're connected to mobile data, you make sure that your 3G, 4G or 5G is working properly. After that, you may scroll it down, and here is the option of general. So you may click here, and here the option of date and time. So you may click here and click on set, automatically turn this on. Then guys, you may go back, and here the option of VPN. If there is any connected VPN, you may disconnect that from here. Then you may go back, and here the option of transfer and reset iPhone. Click here, click on reset, and click on reset network setting. Then guys, you may go back, and you may just restart your device, and then you may check your problem will be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed by all these methods, then guys, you may click here on your profile icon, and here is the option of media and purchases, and here is the option of view account. So you may click here, and you may change your country region from here. So you may click here country region, and you may select that country from here where you live. If you live in USA, you may select United States, or if you live in any other country, you may select that one from here, and then you may restart your device, and then you may check your problem will be fixed. So by all this method, you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.